The basic grunt of the Arachnid species, the warrior bug, is utilized in all conflicts and every front. This species is able to reproduce much faster than other arachnids, thus making it the perfect infantry unit. In the film universe, warrior bugs are four-legged bugs that measure roughly 2 to 3 meters long and feature colors that mirror their terrain. The warriors seen in the Starship Troopers films have been tan in coloration with yellow and black stripes. Their rear set of legs are longer than their forelegs and serve as the primary source of mobility. They are extremely fast and agile, capable of climbing and burrowing beneath the ground in a moment's notice. For frontal assault, warriors will use their powerful pincers, which can crush rock, metal, and sever limbs. For slashing and defense, they use their two upper forelegs or side mandibles to eviscerate a target well over a meter away. Warriors seemingly have tough exoskeletons, as they were seen to take a heavy amount of fire before finally being killed, and even losing a limb in combat means they can still fight with 86% efficiency. Arachnids are not afraid to lose warrior bugs in combat, which is why they usually swarm in large numbers, providing a great technical advantage. They will even use their dead as a mound to climb over walls, as seen in the battle at Whiskey Outpost. Their only weakness was firing a direct burst at the nerve stem, which was discovered by intelligence officer Carl Jenkins. In Starship Troopers Invasion, warrior bugs were actually seen to be capable of surviving the vacuum of space, but it isn't currently known how this is possible. During the early days of the war, warrior bugs would rush and make troops in large numbers, which proved successful, as the federal military had never faced an enemy like this before. As the war went on, however, the bugs improved their strategy just as the mobile infantry did. Warriors would be used as scouts or attack troops, then withdrew using hit-and-run tactics. A warrior would purposely allow itself to be found and let out a roar to alert a nearby swarm to ambush the mobile infantry soldiers. Are you a fan of the warrior bugs? Leave your thoughts down below, and maybe for a future video I'll tackle the warriors seen in the original Robert Heinlein novel, as there are quite a few key differences. As always, thanks for watching, my name is Nick, and for more on the Starship Troopers universe, subscribe to Hybrid Network.